Hi, my name is Kate. Thank you for your interest, and I wish you good vision. With Winlog Evo it is possible to build virtual keyboard. Keyboard Builder is a tool that allows you to build keyboards, to be displayed on the screen, useful for creating applications that operate on computers without hardware keyboards, and equipped with touchscreen monitors. Photo quality images can also be used. Let's create a simple numeric keyboard. Let's insert the number keys. Let's insert special keys. Now let's edit our template, to automatically call up the newly created keyboard. Now let's run our application. Let's log in. By clicking on the Setpoint Edit field, we will automatically recall our keyboard. With Keyboard Builder, it is possible to create different and specific keyboards for every need. You can find more examples of particular keyboards in the official demo, included in Winlog Evo. You can find a series of photo quality keys in the Symbol Factory graphics library. Thanks for your attention. For more information, I invite you to browse our site or send us an email. See you at the next tutorial. Have a nice day.